I'm gonna show you the correct way how to light your propane burner, especially if you're boiling crawfish or something. First of all, you want to make sure your tank is turned off, so you turn it clockwise. Then you want to check your regulator and make sure it's turned off all the way also, so you want to turn it counterclockwise until it stops. Once you do this, you connect it. You just hand tighten it. And once you get this hand tightened, make sure you slowly turn this on, because it have a safety flow valve in the regulator which will shut it off. So you slowly turn it on, then you turn it all the way on until it's back seated. Back seated is when you turn it all the way on until it stops. Then you want to slowly turn your gas on your regulator, and you want to light it. That's all to it. And to turn it off, you turn your regulator counterclockwise until it go off. Then you turn your gas off on your bottle. You want to turn it clockwise. And then you want to turn your regulator back on and bleed off the excessive gas. And that's all to it. Alright, thank you, and subscribe to my channel.